Welcome back to Signal versus Noise, where we take a look at unusual options activity on the tape and ask what's actually going on. Today's setup is SpaceX, ticker SPCX, and the stock is just 4 trading days away from its IPO, which was the largest in history. It's already up roughly 50% from the IPO price, which is very impressive. But yesterday, traders came in and purchased over $20.6 million of calls. It was 3 trades in the same session, and there was zero open interest across any of the strikes before the print, which of course, it was the first day that options were trading. Of course, there was zero open interest. So let's just get that part out of the way here first. These are all brand new positions on the first day of listing. The first trade here was the September 28th. The first trade here was the September 18th 210 call. You can see that there's about 1,300 new contracts listed there. Some higher up too with 220 and 225. Lots of open interest building up right now. But we're talking about the 210 call. When this trade was put on, the stock was trading closer to a 201.80. So the strike was only about 4% out of the money. $9.4 million the premium was spent, and the implied volatility in this particular contract at the time was about 101%. This is perhaps the more serious trade of the 3 that we're going to be reviewing here today. It's near the money. It's 3 months of duration. It's big premium. It's basically a directional bet that SpaceX is going to continue its surge post-IPO. We likewise have the July 17 calls here, which are 325. Those are a little bit further out of the money. 30 days to expiration, 61% out of the money here, $8.2 million in premium spent. 11,509 contracts in this particular trade. And the open interest, of course, has surged here. We can now see over 10,000 contracts listed on the platform. We likewise have the July 17th 315 calls. Open interest, of course, was 0 because it was the first day of trading, but we see that the volume was about 3,195 contracts in this particular trade. 3 million spent. The implied volatility was 123% at the time. So let's take a step back here. What's the tape telling us through this little bit of activity here? This is obviously not the scope and scale of the Intel trade that we reviewed just a few days ago, nor the Micron one. It's a different expression. The September 210 call, which is just slightly out of the money, is a conviction trade, saying that the market's going to sustain this post-IPO surge for the duration through the window lockup period. We have potentially 30% of the float coming online in August if the share prices continue to perform the way that they have performed. They need to be 30% above the IPO listing price, and we're on track for that. So a lot more supply could be getting unlocked here in the next few months. This initial bet is saying that whatever volatility, ups and downs, roller coaster that we see thanks to the lockup period starting to end, it's not going to matter. SpaceX will retain the current level that we're seeing here midway through this month of June. Looking elsewhere, though, thinking about the bigger calls, these are bets that the squeeze is going to continue, right? The squeeze that's been facilitated by the fact that this is a very, very small float right now. Additional shares were able to come online in recent days, thanks to an option that was exercised by SpaceX management. But the demand is still there, and the stock price is still staying elevated. It's down 4.5% in today's session, back under 200. But we're using a stock here where they're effectively treating their own equity as currency. We discussed the news yesterday on air. This Tuesday, June 16th would be yesterday on air, about how they were buying Cursor, one of these AI companies, for $60 billion. The way that the deal is structured right now is that it's $60 billion in equity, but equity is priced 7 days prior to the close of the deal. So if share prices continue to squeeze to $200, to $300, to $400, then the amount of equity that SpaceX needs to turn over to the folks over at Cursor, it's a smaller amount. The stock price is being engineered to perhaps go up in a very short order of time, which is not illegal, or there's nothing against it. It's actually quite smart and shrewd. But that is the background that we have right now. The share price, when we put together this video, 193.94. The average analyst target is trading around 164 right now. So even at these levels, it's a little bit lofty here. The options market is very well aware of this, though. That's why we have the applied volatilities that we have on the board here. The IV for these trades is running between 101 and 126%. At its peak, at the Mag 7 peak for Nvidia, for example, that level was closer to 65%. So SpaceX options are trading at almost double the implied volatility levels just 4 days into their existence. The chain is telling you that anything can happen here moving forward for SpaceX. Day one options are putting roughly similar odds at a 50% upside move and a 50% downside move over the next 3 months, which is insane distribution for a company that's already one of the largest in the world, having surpassed Amazon in market cap during Tuesday's session. So this is our signal versus noise debate for today's outlook here. I think the signal is somewhat obvious. $20.6 million in fresh call buying, zero open interest before the prints, naturally because of the way that this is market structured. Yesterday was the first day of options trading. A $60 billion Cursor acquisition, the AI integration, the XAI optionality, Musk locked in until at least June 2027 for his shares. SpaceX is forcing the market to make room for it. And a lot of traders here are making a bet that the low float will force this market to continue to squeeze higher. That's what the July call says. The September call says that this is going to be more than a one-week momentum trade. The noise here, though, is obvious. And I'm curious what the chat thinks. This is well above target. Morningstar says fair value is 63. CFRA says to sell. The July 25 calls are 61% out of the money and expire in 30 days. I mean, that is just pure upside chase, purely speculative activity here. The unlocks are a big problem over the next few weeks and months. So we're going to get to those in future videos. They deserve a video unto themselves. So I have a question here for you, chat. Let me know. Are these call buyers looking at the next leg up in a once-in-a-generation IPO trade, or are they simply just gambling? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more SpaceX options videos. This thing is very hot. People are trading it more than they're trading basically everything else combined right now. You've been watching Signal versus Noise. Thanks for tuning in to Tasty Live.